Really pissing me off, man.
Neymar is dribbling like no man's business. But I like Hazard. Hazard dribbles maturely.
Guys. It's time for business. What kills?
True that.
What kills?
Yes, sir.
Kill the beat.
Sorry, man. I was just about this.
Business time, guys.
Yeah. I go by the name What Kills, and this is the first shit I recorded as a producer, and I've invited some guys here. My nigga, a jetman, aka Agenda.
Chillin',
The guy who flies without wings.
You know what time it is?
Yeah. And also my homie, Rootsman. Yeah. And I can't leave this studio without shouting out to this Sony Xperia camera in front of me. Cause behind it is my nigga, my real homie, L to the A, I E to the K, M-A, aka like Kema,
Say ho.
aka say ho.
Why yes, sir?
And yeah, we had to drop
Real
some
shit,
freestyles.
nigga.
Yeah, yes, sir. We had to drop some little freestyles for this music launch. Because this is the first chapter of my music story. Yes, sir. So I'm giving it up for my nigga, Agenda, aka Jetman. Drop some hot
We're
dogs.
chilling in Nigeria from Monday to Sunday. Here in Zimbabwe it's Friday to Sunday. Nevertheless, Tino Tenda Jehovah. That's why I'm singing Tino Tenda Jehovah. I've been dancing Tambira Jehovah. Girl, I love you, Tino Kuda Jehovah. Well, in Nigeria we say Inasoki baby. Inasoki baby. Inasoki baby. You be my queen of love, I'll be your king of love. We gamble and rumble like no man's business. We gamble and rumble like no tomorrow. We gotta make the money, we gotta make the beat, we gotta make all the